dying. I'll just pull off the bad leaves and hope that a better one will grow back. These are my collard greens. There's some more here. They have a lot of dying leaves. Just pull them off. Voila! This is my planter, my above ground planter that I made on the other video when I made the above ground planter. It looks like my Brussels sprouts here. They're okay. But a lot of them are dying too. I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna pluck them. Pluck the bad leaves off. It needs to be watered because it looks so dry. Those okra, Brussels sprouts. I have no idea what that is, or that, or any of that. I don't know. It might be tomato plants. I don't know. When it grows, I'll find out. Something's budding there. See it? Hey, I don't know what that is, but it's growing. And I'm going to eat it, but it's pretty dry, so I'm gonna go get a mixture of maybe a capful of peroxide to put some oxygen in this dirt. That's my garden. It's growing. Next year, I'm gonna try to do at least 1, 2, maybe 3 of these. I'm gonna build 2 more better ones, hopefully out of cedar, if I can afford some cedar. And this is just the thing that was on my wall for a spice cabinet, and I just bought these stilts, or these wooden, whatever you call them, pieces of wood for like $1.19 each. And I bought, it was a 10 foot, so I bought 3 and I cut them. So everything, I don't know, forgot what I planted in the middle, but everything died. Everything in the middle died. Oh well. But I love my garden.